Hi everyone, welcome back to Magneq software. Today we will learn how to reach out to the recruiters on LinkedIn. Okay, after logging to your LinkedIn account, so you're here in the search bar, you need to type as a talent acquisition specialist. So here you can choose the people. So these are the recruiters in the so-and-so companies. So here you can you can apply the filter like Hyderabad, and as well as the company also. So here is the HRs like in the company which you have chosen. You can connect with them. That's it. Thank you.